Rise and shine from
good morning
from whatever rainy day this will be, but that's okay. A rainy Magic Kingdom day is all fine and well.
Fine and dandy.
Fine and dandy indeed. Get to experience it in all of the elements.
All the elements, always.
We're going to Magic for I'm not sure how long today. We're gonna try to get a Tron boarding group for tonight. Try to see Happily Ever After tonight. It just depends on how bad the storm becomes. And then we're gonna go get Gaston for breakfast. It's been so long since I've seen you. I love your new outfit. Oh, look at that. That was awesome. I love it. You saying hey? The windshield wipers need to turn them on. This castle is just. Hey, look at this. Gaston's. What did you get? The cinnamon roll and the lovely Blue's broom. Whoa! Yay! It's so good. If you never had the cinnamon roll, so soft. It looks like a lot because it is like a big loaf, but like I can eat all of it. Like it's very airy. It's not like. It's kind of hollow. Better get a bite on camera. Fantastic. Fantastic. We're now going to see Enchanted Tales with Belle.
I've never seen it.
I've never seen it. Well, because it's been like in and out of operation for a bit.
Especially you in the back.
Guess the ride. 3, 2, PeopleMover. Hey! It'd still be raining out. You can't even see. That's all good. We're just chilling, going around. I thought Enchanted Tales with Belle.
Great.
Very cute.
Vibing.
The air was very cute.
Did you see her moving? What's it?
Yeah.
Permanezca sentado y mantenga sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del vehículo. Y cuide a sus niños. Gracias. Please step carefully onto
The
the
ceiling is
then step
dripping.
into the car. For your safety, remain.
Oh my gosh, we're losing it. It's day 3 and we're losing it.
Now approaching Tomorrowland Transit Authority Station. My fellow
Look at Space Mountain right there. That's crazy. The rain in the lagoon. Look at that. Oh, I don't know if you guys saw. We were talking to Mickey earlier. You were saying we were gonna go fishing with Donald later. That we were gonna. Is that Donald?
There's a Coke bottle over there too.
There's a Coke bottle. Oh. I've seen mini ears floating in here before. It's kind of sad. See, just watching the rain. Kind of cute. The castle. It's about to be time for the Tron boarding group. We're also in PhilharMagic as we speak.
Listen to me, Linda and friends.
Philhar
Fills my heart.
Almost ready. Now let's get unplugged. We'll just plug it back in.
Skins are frightfully sensitive. And hot and cold.
Admiring Tiana's Bite Adventure mural. Look at that. Bright, fancy, vibrant. I just saw some more Magic Kingdom friends. I'm trying not to get the camera wet because it is raining so much. Look at this.
But remember, I'm watching, always watching.
Okay, I'm not gonna pull the camera out because that's basically impossible at this point. We left Magic Kingdom. It is raining. It's something. It's tropical storming right now as we speak. These puddles, the pants are soaking wet. Look at that. That is so funny. We're, I guess, going to sit in Contemporary for a bit and just like dry off and just chill. Because Magic Kingdom, I mean, there's really nothing else for us to do at this very moment in time. So, our boarding group was just called. That is, that was really good. That's what's happening. We've ditched the camera. Oh my gosh, look at this whole... Oh, my whole poncho ripped. This is crazy. We're back in Magic. Look at that. Beautiful. I don't think the camera's going to come back out. I don't know how much more we're going to vlog at this point. Because look, it is tropical storming as we speak. We're going into ride Tron at night, which will be really, really fun. So I'll let you know about that. And we're going to Casey's. Oh no! Look at that! Yay! I gave up.
Prepare to be digitized into the world of Tron.
Just like Splash Mountain, actually. Right before it explodes.
R.I.P.
The last, you guys are actually the last people to ride Splash Mountain.
Yes.
How do you guys feel tonight?
Oh, so good.
Exactly.
Well, I'm doing one of my favorite walks of every Disney staycation is, look at my poncho. Look what this day has come to. This is crazy. I don't even have my glasses on anymore because I couldn't see because of the rain. I love when I get to stay at resorts and I have a resort cup, and once we get back from the park, I just take a solo little just walk up to the lobby to fill up the cup and then walk back to my room. It reminds me that I'm staying. You hear this rain? Oh. It reminds me that I'm staying at a Disney resort. It's so exciting just to go in the lobby and be like, let me get a little drink and then go back to my Disney room for another Disney filled day tomorrow. It's just, I love that feeling. It's so good. So this isn't the ideal day to be doing one of these little walks, but last night the quick service was already closed by the time we got back. So we're enjoying this last bit of rain. I apologize, today's video was not filled with a lot of video fun or footage, but we really didn't do too much because it was just raining all day and we were in and out of rides and saw a lot of people today that we hadn't seen in like a year. So there's a lot going on. Oh, I just stepped in a puddle. My shoes are squishy. If you've ever worn jeans that are like soaking wet, it's not fun at all. So I cannot wait to get a shower. That's what Taylor's doing right now. And we're gonna just have our little resort moment here. So anyway, you'll get to see more merch coming up the next few days. Just today was too hard to really do anything. So, but thanks for tuning in. Hopefully you enjoyed a little hurricane vlog, if you will. Not hurricane, tropical storm vlog. And as always, remember to do what you love. Look at this. And do what makes you happy. And I'll see you all next time. Bye.